Some days before, our companies give us a concept. Immunity and nutrition are two aspects of the life as a whole. The modern feed industry pay more attention in the nutrition, but less focus on the uh, animal immunity. Almost all participants are pay attention to the poultry nutrition, but ignoring poultry immunity. As a result, the poultry immunity is very fragile. Various diseases and problems occur frequently, and once poultry safety problems occur, the loss will be huge. Once we reach the balance of the poultry immunity and nutrition, we can avoid many problems in the poultry industries. At present, many Filipinos are facing the relative several raw material cost pressures, which even lead to the fluctuations in the feed qualities and affect the efficiency of poultry farming. It's more important for poultry get more strong immunity and anti-stress ability to prevent the potential problems. So our technical mistress offers us a new solution to improve the immunity in poultry. Let us listen her share more details. Okay, mistress.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Thank you, Armin.
Yeah.
So yes, good evening, friends. Thanks for coming to today's webinar. The topic of the webinar that I'd like to share with you guys is what should be the priority for poultry farming in 2023. And I think through Armin's sharing, I think you guys may have already guessed that. Today I'd like to share improving the immunity of poultry should be the priority for poultry farming in 2023. Yes, I think in 2023, improving poultry's immunity will be very important. First of all, introduced myself briefly. This is Cui Xiaoqing. You can also call me Tracy from the Chance Group. I graduated from Swedish University of Agricultural Sciences. My major is animal science, and I used to work in Wellhope as a poultry technical formulator. Let's get into today's main content. The content is divided into three parts. The first part is the priority for poultry farming, and the second part is symptoms of low immunity. The third part is the factors affecting poultry's immunity and how to improve poultry's immunity. Let's start with the first part. Immunity is the top priority for poultry farming in 2023. So with the development of scale, intensification and industrialization of the poultry industry, the density of poultry is getting higher and higher, and the environment of ban antibiotics greatly increase the probability of poultry getting sick. And many countries around the world, I think some of you guys may have already heard that or got news about that, especially in Europe and the United States are experiencing the worst outbreak of bird flu in history. Since early 2022, more than 49 million birds in 26 states have either died and as a result of bird flu virus infection or have been killed due to exposure to infected birds. That's really bad, right? because once the chicken flock becomes ill, it will cause huge economic losses to the poultry farming industry, because once the poultry starts to die, and then the economic losses begin, whether or not the poultry is cured with medicine. So how to prevent this from happening in advance? I think for me, I think the best way is to improve the poultry's own immunity. Because after the immunity of poultry is improved, it can effectively resist the invasion of bacteria and the virus and avoid economic losses caused by death. So yes, improving the poultry's own immunity should be given top priority in poultry farming in 2023. And this is why I choose this topic to share with you guys this evening. I just want to mention that if you guys have questions, please feel free to stop me and ask me. I will answer you immediately. Then get into the part 2. Symptoms of low immunity. In this part, I will teach you how to distinguish whether your poultry immunity is low. If the following symptoms appear, then it's necessary to attract everyone's attention. Okay, let's get started. Well, first of all, for broilers, if their immunity is low, then they will have slow growth rate, high FCR. So farmers will spend high breeding costs. Their feathers will gray and messy. The color of the chicken beak, chicken feet, and the chicken legs is dull. The appearance is not good. So the price of broilers is surprised. And the mental state is not good, similar to sickness. You can see the broilers in the left picture. You can see that this broiler looks like sickness. So the selling price is lowered, and the profit, the profit will definitely be affected. So yes, there are the symptoms of low immunity for broilers. And then for laying hens, the egg production rate will increase slowly. The egg production peak will delete, and the egg production will decrease. And also, poor eggshell quality, poor yolk quality, decreased egg weight, and the egg, as well as the egg fertilization rate is low. The hatch rate will be also unstable, and the chicken quality is poor. So I hope above these 2 parts can draw everyone's attention to poultry's immunity. And then the third part, in the third part, I'm gonna introduce you the factors affecting poultry's immunity and how to improve poultry's immunity. The first factor is energy and fat. The body's immune system is affected by many hormones, and carbohydrates and fats can affect the immune system by affecting the secretion of hormones. For example, thyroid hormones, corticosteroids, EGF-1 growth hormone, insulin, glucagon, catecholamines, etc., are all affected by energy levels in the diet. These hormones affect the ability to regulate immune cells. So energy requirements play a really, important role in maintaining hormone levels and regions in the body. Fat also affects immunity. This is because the effect of fat on the immune system is that it can affect the body's immunity by changing the surface structure of cell membranes or regulating the synthesis of prostaglandin. One study noted that this is from one study. It said that increasing the fat content of diet in poultry of the poultry diet from 3% to 9% can reduce mortality from diseases. So yes, bile acids can increase the utilization rate of oil in feed by 15% to 20%. I think some of you guys may have already known this kind of product from our company Lectrans Group, which this kind of product help poultry obtain enough energy and improve the immunity of poultry. For feed meals, after improving the utilization of oil can be reduced. So feed cost will be saved for feed meals. So this is the first fact. The second fact that I would like to share with you is protein. Why protein affects poultry immunity? This is because the main component of antibodies is protein. T cells are also composed of proteins. Only with a constant supply of proteins can the body's immune system play a stable role against pathologic microorganisms. But you know that liver is the place where protein metabolism. So liver health is a prerequisite to ensure the immunity of poultry. Actually, our bile acids is the natural choice of animal body through thousands of years for liver protector. This is because bile acids can protect poultry liver by activating FXR, reducing the deposition of fat in the liver. And bile acids can also combine with endotoxins, reduce intestinal absorption of endotoxin, avoid the harm of endotoxins to the intestine and liver. Bile acids can also promote liver cells to secrete a large amount of thin bile, eliminate toxins. So this is the action mechanism of bile acids, how to protect poultry liver. The third fact affecting poultry immunity is vitamins. It's vitamins. Vitamin A, E, D, B, and C, also play a really important role in immunity. Vitamin A, for example, is critical in maintaining the integrity of epithelial tissue. And mucosal tissues of the eyes, respiratory tract, and the digestive tract are the first barrier for the immune system to deal with passengers. And the vitamin A plays a role in ensuring the integrity of these tissues. Here, I'd like to tell you that vitamin A, D, and E are fat-soluble vitamins, which are these vitamins are insoluble in water, but soluble in fat. So they must be absorbed into the body with lipids and stored in the body. And our product, bile acids, can improve the digestion and absorption of lipids in the feed, so promoting the digestion and absorption of vitamins, finally to improve poultry's immunity. This is the third factor. Then I'm gonna share with you the fourth factor. The fourth factor is heat stress. So heat stress is also a really important factor affecting poultry's immunity. Because heat stress will seriously disturb the psychological balance of the body. In response to heat stress, the adrenal gland will release adrenal cortical hormone, and glycogen will release glucose. So individual poultry become weak and thus susceptible to pathogenic invasion. Bile acids can increase the activity of antioxidant enzymes, reduce the content of malodialdehyde, increase the level of antioxidant, relieve heat stress, and finally improve the poultry's immunity. So this is the fourth factor affecting poultry's immunity, and how bile acids help to prevent heat stress and improve and finally improve poultry's immunity. Mycotoxin is the fourth factor that I'm gonna share with you today. Mycotoxins are harmful to the function of cell-mediated immunity, and macrophage reduce the content of peripheral T lymphocyte, reduce the weight of basal, and CMRs reduce the content of maternal antibodies in offspring. In addition to that, mycotoxins suppress the function of the immune system. Other immunosuppressive toxins include aflatoxin A, fumagillin T2 and DON. So this is the fifth factor, mycotoxins. Then I'm gonna tell you how bile acids accelerate the degradation of mycotoxins and finally help to improve poultry's immunity. This is because bile acids have special non-polar groups, and these non-polar groups could combine with mycotoxins, enhance the water solubility of toxins, and improve the enzymatic hydrolysis ability of intestinal enzymes on toxins, so that mycotoxins can be converted into non-tox substances. And then the feces are excreted from the body, reducing the harm of mycotoxins and improving the immunity of poultry. The picture below, this is an experiment that a German scientist Garris did this experiment. In this experiment, he also said that because of the non-polar group of bile acids can help to enhance the water solubility of toxins and enhance the ability of enzymes to hydrolyze toxins in animals. Then I'm gonna from above, I introduced the 5 factors affecting poultry's immunity, and I also explained why bile acids can help to improve poultry's immunity. So now I just like to make a short summary. Bile acids affect the utilization of energy, protein, and vitamins in the diet, degrade macronutrients, and ensure the economic interests of poultry farmers. This is our product Runeon from La Chance Group. So the ingredients of Runeon are 30% bile acid and 30% carrier. The main functions of our product Runeon is protect liver health and improve fat utilization. So in poultry, the dosage of Runeon, we recommended the dosage of Runeon in poultry is 200 to 300 gram per ton. Okay, so yes, this is all about my my sharing today, and